Liam and Chloe's spark ignited. Amidst the easy banter, Liam betrays a hidden turmoil as he nervously toys with his wedding ring. In the solitude of his apartment, Liam is bathed in the cold glow of city lights, his thoughts adrift in a sea of memories and regret. Fragments of Chloe's laughter and stolen moments interweave with Sarah's radiant smile, creating a vortex of conflicting emotions. As the rain intensifies, each drop is a painful echo of the internal storm tearing Liam apart, as he silently questions, "Chloe, Sarah, how did I let this happen?" His voice heavy with regret, Liam whispers, "I love Sarah, I do. But Chloe, there's something there. Something I can't ignore, in tearing myself apart." In a secluded part of the park, Liam and Chloe meet under the canopy of dappled sunlight, their unspoken words hanging heavy in the air. Their hushed voices barely break the silence as they confess their impossible love, a mixture of fear and exhilaration coloring their words. The tension shatters as they collapse into a passionate embrace, clinging to each other in a desperate attempt to defy the tragic fate that looms over them. Liam softly confesses, "I can't deny it anymore, Chloe. I'm in love with you." Chloe replies with equal emotion, "And I with you, Liam, but we both know this can't work." In the sterile confines of the hospital room, Liam lies motionless, a ghostly figure against the crisp white sheets, as life ebbs away. Sarah, lost in a world of denial, clutches Liam's frail hand, unaware of the tempest gathering within him. Frozen in the doorway, Chloe's silent tears bear witness to the tragic tableau, each drop a testament to unspoken grief. In a final, desperate whisper, Liam softly calls out, "Chloe."